mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 6, 2024, Saturday Racing. Starting time ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. 7 races. Kanina, araw ng Biyernes, sana po may tumama sa inyo sa last race, Super 6, yung ating mga cool choices. Marilag at number 3, Bada Bing, at number 12, Golden Sunrise ay first, second, and fourth. Umpisa na po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, first and only choice, number 7, Most Grateful. Race 2, ang napili ko pong first choice, yung kabayo ni Sir JC, number 5, Doña Chichay. Second choice, number 2, Ayuda. Third choice, number 9, Heavyweight. Race 3, only choice, number 3, Man Datum. Race 4, only choice, number 1, Oktubre 14. Race 5, first choice, number 6, Solomo Eni. Second choice, number 3, Go Aidan Go. Third choice, number 1, Noble Touch. Race 6, race my Pentapecta. First choice, number 7, Cristiano. Second choice, number 5, Let It Shine. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, coupled entry, 1, Saratoga Chrome, 1A, Basket of Gold. Second choice, number 2, Wild is the Win. Third choice, number 6, Cluster. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!